Gummy worms are my favorite. Josie, breakfast is ready. No more candy. Absolutely not. I'm not eating that. Carrots are gross. Candy is good. Josie is refusing to eat again? That's it. From now on, candy is banned at our house. But why? Should we watch a movie? We've already seen it. Hammer and nail over here. What is Josie doing? Paint here. And my secret candy house is all done. Adults are not allowed inside. That's interesting. Candy! Whoops! Mom's coming! It's laundry time! There's candy! Whatever. Turning the machine on. Laundry's done. What's wrong with my lights? Skittles? Josie! Putting Skittles in a balloon. Hi, Dad. That's fishy. Popping the balloon. So good. Oh, I see it now. Happy birthday! Yay! Balloons! There must be candy inside. I'll check it. My balloons! They are ruined! Whoops! There's no candy. You ruined my party! And you ate all the candy! The package is finally here! Scanner, find the candy! What a big nose! Now I can find all the hidden candy! Sniff this! Not working? Yuck! Your ticket! Come in! Come! I also have a ticket! No, Dad! No adults! Fine, I'm just a child! Can I go in? Dad, that's not happening! Daddy, let's hug! Of course! That's so sweet! No! First take your jacket off! We can hug now! Daddy's girl! Dad, hug! I got a Snickers! Sweetie, wait! Whoops! You deserve some candy! Thank you! She loves me so much! Duh! Your whole back is covered in candy! What? At least, I always have a snack with me! I'll turn this chocolate bar into a portable charger! And a wire so it looks legit! Yeah, exactly! Hello? Hello!
Hey!
My phone died! A portable charger! I really need it! Here! Thanks! It works really well! What? But how? All charged! Thanks! I am so confused! Half of the chocolate is gone? What? How did that happen? I'll try to plug in a phone. Chocolate charges my battery. Whoa! I gotta sneak in. Sweetie, I'm starting a pillow fight. Let the battle begin. Protect yourself. Oh, my marshmallow. Josie! Honey, you'll be doing the cleaning. Go! We're entering the secret house. Where's all the candy? There's nothing here. My parents are so naive. Do you know where I'm hiding the candy? Comment down below. You go there, and I'll go there. They never figured out I have a secret basement. No one's gonna suspect a laptop. I'll turn a chocolate bar into keys. And just eat this one. Josie, great timing. I need a laptop right now. Thank you, sweetie. This is gonna be bad. My fingers! They are covered in chocolate! Gotta get out of here! Licorice bookmarks are exactly what I need. Hold on. Let me look at these books. Something's off. Josie, would you read? No, Dad. There's something about the books. They must be edible. They're not, Dad. Gross. These books are just normal. Go ahead. Yeah, Dad didn't notice the yummy bookmarks. Shh. Surprise! Happy birthday! Yay! Let's have cake. This is for you. And this is for me.
Okay.
Her birthday! I totally forgot! Alright, the cake was delicious! Wait a second! My birthday is in 2 months! Josie! Oops! Happy birthday! Come on! Will you ever actually remember it? Uh-oh! What if we go to the beach? Hey there! Maybe mountains? Hi! That's weird. Wasn't she in the shower a second ago? I'll figure it out. Yeah, I see. Mom? Dad? Candy check. Nothing. Go ahead. Here's the candy. I almost made it. Yummy candy. Oh, my tooth. Show me your teeth. Oh, the tooth is healthy again. And this is for you. Candy? No, anything but candy. This is healthy, sugar-free candy. Oh, sure. Take care of your teeth. Thanks. Let's go home now.